Hi everybody, this is Ken. Come and join me as I tour you to one of our model units in VN West. So this project is located along EDSA corner, Chino Rosas Avenue, Makati City. This is just 4 minutes away from MRT Magallanes Station, 15 minutes away from VGC, Pasay area, and also in the middle of the three major CBDs or commercial business district in the Philippines, including Makati CBD, Pasay City, and Bonifacio Global City. So for VN West, we'll be showing with you the 2-bedroom corner unit, 60 square meter, and now we're offering a rent-to-own term for only 5% down payment to move in, and for the whole term you'll be paying the contract price for 40 months, and then the turnover balance or the remaining balance will be loanable through bank financing for either 10 up to 25 years payable. Tara, and let's check the unit. Okay, so right now I'm here in the kitchen area of this layout. So we are already an enclosed kitchen. So nakatago yung kitchen natin from the living and then dining area. So this is going to be the kitchen itself. As you can see, paloob siya ng unit. So this will be the deliverables upon turnover of the specific project or unit here at VN West. So for the countertop made out of solid granite, kasama na siya during turnover, including the kitchen sink and also the faucet. We already have here the overhead cabinets. Ito, ayan, overhead cabinets. We also have under-counter cabinets here. And here naman sa part na to, this is just provision for our range hood. Provision as well for our 4-burner cooktop. And here naman, also provision tayo for our washer and dryer right here. And then for our fridge, this is also a provision for in terms of height. 6 feet yung pinakamataas kasi may cabinet na on the upper part of this layout. So for the kitchen, as you can see sa likod ko, ayan. So that will be the dining area. So kitchen is here. So from kitchen, paglabas mo, that's going to be your dining area. So as you can see, that's a total of 5 to 6 table seater. And then let's go to the living area. For living area, this is going to be the furnished unit. So upon turning over, guys, wala tayong mga furnitures. So basically, all we have is the tiles there, and also for that one, that will be the window 1, window 2 there. And for this part, this is just a provision or an upgrade. So you can also incorporate this, especially with your television and additional shelf for books or frames, furnitures. And now let's go to the common toilet and bath. So for this specific 2-bedroom unit, guys, we only have one toilet and bath. So ito na siya. So nakahiwalay siya from the room. So nakalocate siya sa ating living area. So this one is a very hotel-like toilet and bath. So lahat na nakikita niyo dito are already included or makukuha niyo siya upon turnover. So we already have here the towel rod, the glass partition from the toilet to your bathroom area. And then dito naman we have here a shower head. So pag mga units natin on the lower floors, ito lang yung included, guys. The bigger one is hindi kasama. So this one is an upgrade, but here kasama to during turnover. Ito na siya. And then also, syempre kasama na din ito. Vanity mirror, this lavatory, sink, faucet. Tissue holder is also included. Syempre ating water closet or toilet bowl. So itong mga furnitures hindi yan kasama. So for the showroom purpose lang siya. And now let's go to your junior bedroom, since this is a 2-bedroom unit. So ito siya. Yeah. So this is going to be our junior bedroom. So this one, usually we suggest our client to convert this into a kids playing area o di naman kaya for their working station if they are newly married na wala pang kids. So here, ito yung pinakang upgrade sa unit, like sa space na to sa junior's bedroom. So this one, upgrade na siya, and also this working station, lagay ng mga stuff ninyo. So upgrade, so you can also incorporate that design kapag nagpa-interior kayo with your designer. And here naman, this will be your space for your television or entertainment. So upgrade ulit ito. So this is a solid na concrete. So pwede kayo magpalagay din ng shelf dito for additional shelves for your pictures, for your frames, and other stuff. So pwede mo siyang ipagawa. So dito naman, minount lang natin yung TV sa pinakang wall. And then for this one, this is going to be your window. Almost floor to ceiling din tayo. But for VN West, guys, for our window type aircon, this is just a provision. So all of our units for VN Tower in VN West are using window type aircon. So for your bed, this one, so nakikita ninyo is more of like a sofa pa. Kasi this one is a pull-out bed. Ayan. So you can convert this one into your bed. So yun yung kagandahan dito. So ayan, that's everything you'll be getting with the junior bedroom. And now let's go to the bigger one, which is the master bedroom. There. So this is going to be the master bedroom. So konting view lang of the unit ulit. Ayan. So entry point, dining, kitchen is already there. Living area, and then dito sa part na to will be the toilet and bath, and then junior bedroom dito sa part na to. Ayan. So pwede nyo gayahin yung design na yan kapag na-turn over na sa inyo yung specific unit, which is the unit F, 60 square meter. Okay. Dito naman, itong pinakang modular closet natin for our master bedroom. This one, guys, is already an upgrade kasi this one is a 3-door modular closet. So kayong bahala na din if you wanted to do something like this na sliding and put glass para at least may malaki kayo mirror dito sa loob ng room ninyo. So pwede nyo siyang also gayahin. So dito, naglagay lang tayo ng tables and chairs. And another accent for paintings, or pwede mong ilagay yung pinakang picture ninyo or your wedding picture if you're married. And then for your bed, ito naman siya. So malaki yung, I think, twins size yung bed natin dito. So ito, upgrades to, guys. This is also an upgrade. And syempre sa harapan nito, that will be a television. So minoon ulit natin yung TV sa pinakang wall. So pwede nyo siyang gawin kapag na-turn over na. And then additional shelf dito for more storage. And pwede din kayo maglagay ng mini table dito. Yan, para mas marami kayong storage room ninyo. And then here, what I like about this model unit, on this side, ito nakikita ninyo, this shelf, this is already an upgrade then. So they really incorporate this one para mas marami kayong storage area. Kasi dito pwede nyo paglagyan ng mga books nyo, another frames ulit, or any furnitures that will make your unit very static. Ayan. Dito naman, ito yung magiging allotted space or provision natin for a window type aircon. And then dito sa part na to, this is going to be your window and then door access going to your balcony. So as you can see here, guys, yung pinakang balcony natin is located sa pinakang master bedroom. So this specific location is gonna be facing the EDSA station, or the EDSA kung saan makikita ninyo yung MRT Galeana station. So we also have an option if you wanted to get a unit na yung balcony is on the living area. We have unit E. However, we only have limited units left because yung unit na yun is very prime since it has triple views. So from that, we only have two bedroom units available for Vion Unit F and Unit E. So if you want to know more about the available units, we have studio, 1-bedroom or 2-bedroom units. Please don't hesitate to send me a message for pricing, sample computation, and to do a site visit. I'm Ken Manansala, Assistant Sales Manager here in Mega World Corporation. See you again on my next video.